Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'll be quite tell with you what that's the session never and see. A lot of things happen. A lot they happen. But we can't just underrate what is happening right now without not saying it out. Everybody, in one way or the other, they add to the problem that is happening right now. I don't really want to talk too much. Let me allow you to listen to this information and I'll be right back.
Adam, a very quick one. Ihona, achọrọ m ịjụ ndị landlord ala Owerri ihe ha jiri dị wicked. Some of them anyway. Achọrọ m ịjụ ndị landlord enwere n'Imo steeti ihe ha jiri dị wicked. Ihe ha jiri dị wicked. You know, increment a na-akwụ n'elu n'ala. Ị na-eti increment when there is no water n'ụlọ inyere mmadụ. Iti increment n'ụlọ na-enweghị ceiling. Iti increment n'ụlọ na-enweghị gate security. You know, you cannot arrange and hazie ụlọ inyere ụmụ mmadụ biri before gị mere increment. And ụlọ ị na-emekwa increment ụlọ mpa gị rụrụ hafụrụ gị. Ụlọ mpa gị rụrụ ihe ụlọ mpa gị rụrụ kamgbe 1970, kamgbe 1980, you know. Rụziekwa n'ụlọ, renovate ụlọ, pentigharị ụlọ, mee ka ụlọ dị mma dị ụtọ n'anya. Mba, iti will increment. Akpaghị aka n'ọnụ gị si na ihe siri ike. Akpaghị aka n'ọnụ gị ji onye ahụ nọ na Naịjirịa. Akpaghị aka n'ọnụ gị si onye ahụ nọ n'ọchịchị Tinubu. Akpaghị aka n'ọnụ gị si onye ahụ ihe dọla daga. Simenti gbere simenti 500 naira, 1,002, 2,000 naira ka ijiri rụọ ụlọ ahụ. Now again, I compare ya now. I need cement about 10,000 naira. Now so we who here cement daga. And man here cement daga. A roll out. And a roll out today. That is a question for some landlords. Now lower. Increment anaku. And some of you don't even have lawyers. Or lawyer do know when I or you know. They don't direct you well and advise you well. Somebody's rent can run. Give another notice of increment. If you want to give increment, like some landlords used to do, like 2 years notice. Yes. Some landlords, like 2 years notice. So that within that 2 years, I got in the next 2 years. Magaga use the upper year. Papo. Oh yes. Maybe I'm going to give 2 years, and you give 1 year. Use kwapo. But at the end of the day, some landlords are going to mad rent na run. Yeah, because we take notice for increment of rent in the next regime of rent. Is it not madness? Is it not madness? Then some of you landlords na low will enga. One woman can mad report or maybe on the kingdom. One woman has dear no bodo ibo. Dear roll go bodo ibo. The woman ama hegolan erasement. Why am I hegolan error? Why am I here to a roller? Why am I here I go as Rosenk? Oh, la landlady. And you're da. Somebody's rent is still running. Give you quit notice. One you share again, ma. You were mental. One was no kingdom way bad here. You know, somebody's rent is even if also they wouldn't know how give hot job. Because I know that some tenants can be very, very funny. Some tenants, hammer. I know that one. But tenant times you can because rent here can run. So you have no reason. You don't have anywhere in law to quit somebody rent here can run. Get your give quit here. You get a balance. You get do some pack here go for pagaya. You go 3 months. Yeah, cholo. You know 7 days. 14 days. You know, some liars just reach some landlords. Request some tenants. Renting mother can run, give you quit notice. Are you okay? Ola geroro. Diga rola no mega landlady. Go bodo ibonoro. Get no reba na make a shanya. Landlady in Shina that you cannot even think of buying a Amamina got them nature. And if we na malielu. Malielu. Somebody's rent is still running. Not the came in here. Somebody's rent is still running. Give you a quit notice. When the equity notice, when the here, collect your balance or send your account so that your balance will be sent to you. Mba. When you rent your web October this year, you can only make February. Give you equity notice in February. While you rent your October. And when the kids see, send your account so that your balance can be given to you. Then after 2 months, to pack out. Give you 1 week. When you rent your can run, give you 1 week to pack out. You share the game. Ishade ho gemme ma hihe. I question in a show to an agwagia because he went here. You don't know law. Oh, renting mother voila. Even let me tell you, renting mother good today, bam. Then as a landlord, you can give the person quit notice today. You put your time, you have to all of 4. Oh yes, near time you have to all of 4. But I want to renting mother can run. Only rent ya ga work October. Give you quit notice February. Say up under 1 week. In a 1 year. Because they get all a goal or happen again by an marking dog. In echo. And you give very your family give very well. She from a very poor family. And don't she from a very poor family they behave like this. I'm telling you. Chineke mechara tierak. When you look at some people that behaves like that, check their family. Has she from a very poor family? Poverty mentality nyege hanso. Then again, some landlords and landladies, they treat their tenants like boy and then the slave. They got biagi ko mbi ge jabachi gate ge 8:30. Onye ola gaga kwa ihe ogaga. Ya ko 8:30 ya batakwa. Me ga bata he will sleep outside. Gile dimpa mado. Probably a man that has to struggle for the family. When Doro ha now 9 p.m. Then I run a hospitality industry. Then I run entertainment industry. When 9 p.m. ha lotade, 10 p.m. ha lotade. You know, I say this key gate go on all been that year the key to the gate. Gate send back. No so get where as a landlord and the landlady so go again where also get where at the end of the day. What you did outside the gate. And I require your landlady. But no, so get back. That time I gala, it could 9 p.m. When you want to here 9 p.m., that person should sleep outside. Timpa mado. He outside. Because he will landlord. Mini boholu na agba n'ime nga ahụ. Moji so ga pompo. Because he want a generator. Moji so ga pompo. And then I pump a bashie ozugbo ka na pump ya piam onye na-agbata mmiri mgbe ka agbasasịrị ya ka na pump cha agbanyụ jem piam ga gbashie mmiri so gị na family ga na-eyuzu ndị tenant bi n'ụlọ gị a na-apụ outside na-eji agba mmiri isi na ị ga-emeke heaven isi na ị ga-emeke heaven onwe heaven ị ga-emeke you a wicked landlord you a wicked landlady if you cannot treat your tenant as your brothers and as your sisters. Amam ne nwere some tenants nwere koshi. Some tenants nwere kro na brain, I know. But ukenyela gị nsogbu, nye time, kwitie ye, ya afọ, jeje, ya shiwezi onwe fu, employ the legal means na kwapu ya kwapu. But you cannot keep treating your tenants as if they are slaves. A whole lot of things are happening. Roof gade leaky. Landlord anego. Don't worry, just pay, I will mend it. Lie. Landlord will not do anything. You need the money. Ihe ga maybe na ya landlord anaka ego ni na ga anaka at the end of the day when landlord ga eme. Ndị bi n'ụlọ ga go slave. One DJ IT ebele because he was landlord, he was landlady. A tenant can become a landlord tomorrow. I believe it. A tenant can become a landlord tomorrow. Many of you which are landlords today when a bunu tenant. Oh yes, many of you which are landladies today when a bunu tenant. Probably otu aka landlord gị shiri treat gị mgbe ahụ ihe ije treat gị ndị nka. But check ihe n'onwe gị ihe na-eme ọ dị mma. Ma gwa ihe na-akpaso ndị tenant gị ọ dị mma. Tenant nyewela gị nsogbu, follow the law. Quit ye, but not when his rent is running. Ịchọkwa na quit when the rent is running. Package eri ego ye for afọ, nyekwo ye time, ya pack ya. It's as simple as that. We'll keep talking about this landlord and tenant issue. Until ishi aba ihe brain ayo n'ishi ndị landlord anyị. Of course, nakwa n'ishi ndị tenant ụfọdụ. Because ndị tenant ụfọdụ Kro kro. Thank you very much.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analysis. I will keep updating you on the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.